Hi everybody. So today I'm going to talk about the movie that me and my team choose, and it's All the Boys That I Loved Before. P.S. I Still Love You. And this movie is a sequel from a trilogy named So All the Boys That I Loved Before, the this movie is based on a book named To All the Boys That I Loved Before, and it's wrote by Jenny Han. So the order of presentation will be like this. We're going to talk about the protagonist and the antagonist of the movie. What do the protagonist and the antagonist of the movie? We're going to talk about the character traits and personality. And we're going to talk about the difference between the book and the movie. So, first thing first, the protagonist and the antagonist. On the left, we have the protagonist. There is two protagonists. There is Lara Jane and Peter. And on the right, we have the antagonist, and the antagonist is John Ambrose. So, second, what do the protagonist and the antagonist do? First thing first, we have Lara Jean Sankovi. She is the narrator of the storyline in the movie. She is the love interest of Peter, and she has a relationship with Peter. She is the main character of the movie, and the storyline of the movie is around her and the choices throughout her relationship with Peter and throughout her semi relationship with John Ambrose. Next, we have Peter Kavinsky. He's the second main character of the movie. His love interest is Lara Jean, and he has a relationship with Lara Jean. His actions are benefits to help Lara Jean make some choices throughout the movie. Because he's in a relationship with Lara Jean will make some decision based on his action throughout the relationship and throughout the movie. After we have John Ambrose McLaren, he is the potential love interest of Lara Jane, and by his presence, is troubling Lara Jane to a path of making some choice. They both gonna meet in some voluntary work in a retirement home, and by this meeting, the storyline will change because it will it will make Lara Jean have some mixed signals in a relationship with Peter. Third, we have the character traits and personality. First, Lara Jean. She's nice, quirky, and shy. She loves scrapbooking, fashion, baking, and romance novels. She's a family girl. By family girl, I mean like she love she loves to be with her family. She never betray her family, and she will always be there for her family. And she's an hopelessly romantic. She loves to read about romance novel. She loves to watch romance novel also, and she always dream about love. After we have Peter, he's confident and make people love his company. He's a stereotypical popular guy, like we saw, we saw in all teen rom coms. He's a stereotypical popular guy. He's nice, thoughtful, and he's a joker. He's serious when it comes to relationship. Throughout the movie, we will see that the relationship that him and Lara Jean has will mean so much to him. He's open-minded and spontaneous. He's cocky because he likes to watch him in the mirror, and he's narcissistic also. And after we have John Ambrose, he's confident and sweet. His personality traits is closer to Lara Jean. He's easy. He's an easy person to be quiet with. He likes to read, to be by himself, but he's well liked by people. He's smart and self-conscious. He's pensive and nervous. The difference between the book and the movie. In the book, Lara Jean is less sensitive. In the first chapter, we see a different version of Lara Jean than in the movie. Less she will less cry and less be hurt by someone, and she will She will say what is on her mind. Peter is cocky but still have a soft spot in the book. It will when we read the movie, we will see Peter as if he doesn't have a heart, but on the inside he really have a soft spot when we talk about Lara Jean. In the book, John is more no in the movie John is more confident, and in the beginning of the book and the movie is different. In the book, the story starts with Lara Jean and her family going to a new year supper in the family, and in the movie the story starts with Lara Jean getting ready for her first date with Peter. So that's it for me. That's it for the character of the movie, to all the boys that I loved before. I hope you enjoyed the little presentation. I hope you have a great day or a great evening. Thank you.